went down to local government elections, September 2nd, draw near. Our party and party members have put their house together. We have no issue here. And hence, before now, we started moving from ward to ward. And each of our movements in the ward, we always receive party members in abundance. I want to assure you that come September 2nd, 2023, Owan West will win our election from top to bottom.
The governor, please permit me to speak your language to them, our language, your mother's language. Mabosha o, Irala o, Wabona me, Eka semi egembe, Ono wemi, Mawoi, Areho, Amero, Hamero, Uzomosikbegi. Yaka, Amero Hera, Uzomosikbegi. Wabosha, Amioro, Waita Amioro. Power to the people. We measure. Maraba Bosha. Ebimati Areiki, Mama Boiva, Ibada Fabu Kilote. Ma Kojojo, Limada Voto Bimani Obake, Alma Sevoti Nakara, Lima Gumai Lorio, Magumai Bima. Maguma Sema, Eligo Malia Cheji, a party lacho labor, Lima Cheche Doare, because Anyada Jebo, Eka PC, Para Mingwe Quere, Vazie Mose, Noadia Oguera, this thing almost Zebana, your mama saw the Ayoguera, PDP.
Microphone to the leader of the decampees this afternoon, Honorable Joseph Agbebaku. Talk to your people.
PDP. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joseph Agbebaku. I was a member of APC. Now, we declare to PDP today. Those are my members. We want to declare our word to PDP. This is our chairman. That is Honorable Dixie Ahons. Is going there by the grace of God. Thank you.
For me, I now hand over to you on the behalf of those that decamp with you, this symbol of the People's Democratic Party, the umbrella. Please take along this umbrella. The umbrella will always cover you. In PDP, we don't have new and old members. As you join today, you are taking your rightful place in the PDP in your different wards. I will request that all the ward chairmen of the decampees today issue these members, our new members, issue them cars. If you don't have cars, get back to us in Benin, I will give you cars. Having said that, I congratulate you and I wish you well. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can now go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. To the candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the forthcoming local government elections in Owan West, Right Honorable Dixie Ahonsi. I wish to call all the councillors to join. All the councillors join. All the councillors. Thank you, thank you. On behalf of the leader of our party and the powers conferred on me, I hereby hand over the flag to the candidate of our party in Owan West in the forthcoming local government elections, Right Honorable Dixie Ahonsi, with his vice chairmanship candidate, Mrs. Victoria Achize. Congratulations. Wait. Our leader, the remote one of the universe, His Excellency, Godwin Obaseki. PDP! 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 When I know this man, when I know him, na good man, na better man, he go do well. Oh wow, yeah. When I know we dey Benin, from Benin we not gonna know wetin dey happen for here. Now local government chairman, now I go know because now they stay here with you now. And the kind local government chairman where we want, not be local government chairman when go to stay for Benin. Now the one when go to stay here with you now. When go fit tell me wetin they go on for here. Tell me the road why not good. Tell me the school why not good. Tell me what to do. This man, Ahonsi Dixon, tried and tested. I don't work with him. This not the man. PDP not the only party when they those states. The only party when they this on one. So make una come out on September 2nd. Next month. The second day next month. Make una come. Make una come vote for PDP. Because when una vote for PDP, una vote for the chairman when go bring progress. Chairman when go bring development. Chairman when the governor like. When the governor go work with. Straightforward chairman. So I beg una, make una come out. Support this man. Because me, I dey support him. Not be from, I don't come from Owan West. Is he not my chairman too? He's my chairman, he's your chairman. Chairman, the people want you. Go ahead, talk to them.
Change your way. They will never accept it. We saw that in the last election. We want the women to come 2nd of September. Bimare Shankhieda ni Olian Doiki, Eriman Pawabo, Imolia Jime, Eriman Pawabo, a woman. Everyone joke women or government. My neighbor that Owan West. Okay, I heard him. He feligo you. I want to vote now. Allah Mujanrewo Dao. Why Belly will be during governorship election 2020? I was no longer sleeping. Him. And it is what he is doing now. You understand? We thank you all. We know that you people are great people. We know that you are going to perform. We know that you will not disappoint us. We know that you will remain in PDP forever. May God continue to bless you. May God continue to protect you. Thank you and God bless.
Owan West, una don do am before. Make una ready on the 2nd of September. Make una ready. Vote for who? Vote for who? Vote for who? come out in your numbers. I beg, clap for yourself. Your Excellency,
Yoba.
The commissioner, the representative in the state executive council, honorable Ida is equally present here. We thank you for coming out there to welcome our governor here this afternoon. Mr. Governor, we want to thank you for coming to Owan to flag off the campaign for the local government election of September 2nd. We thank you for all that you have been doing for this state. In this community, Mr. Governor has had no less than 5 roads for Apple to the community. One which is still was tied by the governor. The Osugwa street was tied by the governor. The Isewa street was tied by the governor. And can go and go. And so what Mr. Governor has done. I don't feel like it to be a slum. It's not a beautiful place to behold, which Mr. Governor has done for us. Mr. Governor, we want to assure you on behalf of PDP that we will have a deciding victory on September 2nd when this election will be conducted.
I want to thank una today. Say, in spite of the rain, say rainfall, una still come out all the way for Mr. Governor. So I thank una. People come from Otuo, people come from Uwarake, people come from Ihere, people come from Uoha, people come from Igwe Sale. Una welcome. I thank una. All of una come from different areas because of the love we una get for this party. With one beg una, say make una beg. Election when they come on the 2nd of September, make all of una come out. Wanna come vote en masse for PDP. Our candidate wey dey here, our brother Okodo, Prince, Kadiri, and all the councillors. Make una beg. The governor beg una say, make una come out en masse. Make una come vote. Beg, you know my friend. PDP. God bless you all. Thank you.
For him, please. The flag, please. Privilege. By virtue of the powers conferred on me by the Constitution of the PDP, 2017 as amended, and by the powers conferred on me by the leader of the party, the governor of the state, I now hand over to your candidate for the 2nd of September local government elections, Honorable Kadiri.
possible. Make I know whether I chop over is possible. Make I know the road that I do possible. So I don't feel see anything happen from Benin to here. But the way they enjoy our democracy, they say, if I get chairman of local government, when Sabi work, when you love the people, that person, he will help me to do work for Owan East. He will tell me when pikin never chop. He will tell me when teacher don't go school, don't teach. He will tell me when medicine no dey hospital. Because I don't feel know all those things from Benin. That is why we good if we elect chairman when get care of God. That is why we must elect chairman for our local council when fear God, when love the people, when ready to work. Who go work for now?
Yes, oh yes.
By the special grace of God,
Yes.
I believe that this power that has been given unto us by the God will create us. So that our legacy government will happy for all of us. The only thing we will make us happy. So now all these packages, I have understood the health situation in Owan East. I know bringing some the health centers in Owan. And all the health centers from what one not governor wait, okay, we have the tours. We have the day on ground, they're not useful. Why? Because no personnel. By God, some of our men died on the road because they don't even reach Irua. Is PDP as we did do one before. When we dey win those winnings, myself joining together with the vice chairman by the special grace. Thank you so much.